Hey YouTube, trying to fix my AC. It's a good old 1994 7.5 E350 motorhome. So I did try this trick with a vacuum line. It didn't work on this model, so it does work perfectly great with a V10 Triton, but not with this guy. And it took me a couple hours to figure it out. Watched like a bunch of videos, couldn't find anything. Try to vacuum line, go through all this stuff. You probably watched like a millions of them, and I figured out why. So when you start, it blows from the front and nothing helps. So the problem is like in here. I'm pretty sure it's a temporary fix, but it's gonna work. So you see this cylinder over here, basically, and I broke this piece. So this piece goes in here, and basically this cylinder is blocking the system. So right now it's in a blocking mode, and the air blows from the window defroster. So when you push it in, it's gonna blow from here, from front vents. So when it goes, basically in this position, and this white piece in here, so that's the normal position when it blows from the defroster. So when you push it in, it just like this, it starts blowing from the regular vents. So what I did is like I accidentally broke this white piece, so I made it get stuck like this, and it blows perfectly fine from the front. All right, thanks for watching. Hope it helps somebody.